Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials.
Today I am going to show you how to create sand, beach, soil texture effect in Adobe Photoshop. Please watch entire tutorial. Click on Color Picker tool to select Fill Color R217G139B3. Go to Edit and Fill Shift F5. Contents. Select foreground color. Select layer and right click and convert to Smart Object layer. You can edit easily in the Smart Object layer. Go to Effect menu and Filter Gallery. Select Artistic and select Sponge. Brush size 2 and definition 12 and smoothness 5. Again, go to Filter menu and Brush Strokes and Angled Strokes. Direction balance 50 and stroke length 15 and sharpness 4. Again, go to Filter menu and Stylize and Oil Paint. Brush Stylization 0.1 and Cleanliness 10 and Scale 10 and Bristol Detail 10. Lighting Angle -3 and Sine 1. Finally, your realistic beach sand texture effect is now ready. Please follow steps. It's easy way to create sand texture effect in Adobe Photoshop.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.